In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide your way through Google Docs to download your document as a PDF. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this straightforward process will help you save your documents in a widely used format, perfect for sharing and printing without losing any formatting. This easy guide will take you through each step. First, you need to navigate to Google Docs. Start by opening your preferred web browser, then type Google Docs into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the link that appears at the top of the search results, which will take you to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not signed in yet, you'll see a prompt asking you to log into your Google account. Enter your email address and password, ensuring that you're logging in with the account that has the document you wish to download. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Google Docs where all your documents are displayed. Next, identify and open the document you're planning to convert into a PDF. You'll see a list of all your existing documents on the Google Docs main page. Click on the title of the document you want to open. This action will open the document in a new tab or in the same tab, depending on your browser settings. With your document open, focus your attention to the top left of the window. Here, you'll spot a menu labeled File. Go ahead and click on it. This File menu is your gateway to several functions, from sharing to printing, and of course, downloading your document. Once the File menu opens, you'll need to hover over or click the Download option to reveal a submenu. On this list, various format options are available to download your document. These include Microsoft Word, Open Document, and most importantly, PDF. Click on the PDF document (PDF) option from this list. The moment you do so, Google Docs converts your document into a PDF format, preserving your document's formatting, images, and text exactly as they appear on Google Docs. Within seconds, your web browser will either prompt you to confirm the download or automatically begin downloading the PDF file to your default download folder. Keep an eye on your download folder, as the newly created PDF will be there with the file name you see in Google Docs, unless you've customized it. And there you have it. Your document is now securely transformed into a PDF, ready for sharing, printing, or archiving. With these straightforward steps, you can easily convert any of your Google Docs documents into PDFs, a universally accessible format that's ideal for maintaining consistent formatting across various platforms. Thanks for joining me today, and happy converting!